We're building our blockchain from scratch with Rust. We're going to be building it right now. It's happening. You can see it on the screen. This is where we left off yesterday. We had a quick short stream yesterday to do just to get our bootstrap function working, and it worked, although our schema is broken, so we have to fix our schema. We're going to fix our schema today, and then we want to organize the files. I want to organize the files in a way that is nicely, tidied up, because we're going to have things like, right, the Lua scripting language, which is going to be our smart contracts, and then we might also have, what else? Our ledger. We want to put our ledger in a separate file as well, and then we can separate out some things. So I want to organize things today. And then I want to fix this schema problem. So you see here, we got a problem with our schema. Something broke yesterday. I don't know what it is, but we're going to find out right now. This very second, let's figure it out. Okay, so here's our schema. What is not working? What is broken? Looks good to me. It looks perfectly fine. What's wrong with it? Maybe it's, let's see if we can pull this. Cargo. Let's do this cargo build and cargo run. Let's see if we can make that happen. Is it going to crash now? Okay, it does crash. So it looks like we've got, what could we do here? Create table transaction. So this is the ledger, right? So what if we just deleted everything except for something obvious like version? What if we just did that? Let's just delete everything. And then let's see. We're just going to test it out. Is it still going to crash? That's the question I have. Oh, it does. Okay, perfect. Okay, so our schema was good. We did it the right way the first time. All right, now we just got to figure out why it's not happy. It panicked because we unwrapped it on an error. Unexpected code, message near transaction. Well, so this is maybe not the create table syntax that we need. Version not null. Looks perfectly fine to me. Like, why is that not, why does it say that there's a problem? Rust environment, display, backtrace. Okay, let's see here. You know what? Let's do this. Let's restore all the things because it's basically, we know it's good. Let's restore everything, which is great because we need this varchar. There. So we'll restore that. All right, let's see what else we got. Let's pop into the main file. Let's go into the source file here. And then what we want to do is we want to match. So we're going to match it on an error. So when we do the execution here, see how we got the question mark? Instead, we're going to say match like this, like that, semicolon. We're going to execute this, and then we're going to say, oh, yeah, perfect. This is exactly what I was looking for. All right, let's see if this works. Build and run. Okay, so we're building our own blockchain from scratch. And we've got a lot of, so did I touch transact? All right, so I didn't touch this one. I was midway of touching the file, and we're organizing our files today. So by main, so you can see here, we've got our initial schema defined, and we've got our Lua scripting language for smart contracts. We got a Lua scripting language. I want to open up all of my files that we just created in the source. All right, so let's open up, let's do Lua first. All right, so we're going to have a Lua runtime. So what do we want to do here? Let's copy some of these things. So let's grab that. We'll grab that there. Lua duration. Yep, let's grab that so we can have a sleep. We might as well have a sleep. Who would ever thought? All right, so we grab a sleep here. All right. So we're gonna have our Lua runtime. We basically need. Let's just copy and paste this whole thing. Well, let's copy and paste the whole thing, and we'll delete stuff later. Okay, here we go. All right, so Lua engine. We're gonna add a global to it, and then we don't need. So what is it gonna be called? What do we want to call this? I guess run smart contract. Is that what we want to call it? Run. We'll just call it run. Let's call it run. There we go. I like that. And we don't need it. Well, I guess we could return. Okay. What we need to do is return this. We need to return this. Is what we got to do. So let's just do this. We'll say res. There we go. So then what we can do is I want to be able to import this file. Let's see. How do we do that? This is the thing where I need to be able to, let's jump back into our code. We got to organize our code here. Let's do it. Let's organize our code. All right. So we've got our run Lua. So we're going to run Lua. I want to have, we'll do string as an and str. We'll have it be a code. We'll have the code here. We'll have it be the code, right? So is that, I think that's how that works. Or we got to do a colon. Yeah, there we go. But it is colon. We're doing it backwards. and str, right? Is that what we're doing? Because we're getting back to it. All right, so this will be here. So we'll do that. All right, code. There we go. Got the code right there. So now we can run our code just like that. Call async 100. What is 100? I don't get back to this code here real quick. All right, so we've got our code here. We've got a mirror string like that. All right, so let's go vertical. Control WV. There we go. And let's open up our main file. All right, so let's delete the Lua code because we don't longer need that. Let's delete. Don't care. We've got our bootstrap. Okay, let's make sure our bootstrap is still working. Let's make sure the bootstrap still works, and then we will. Cargo build and run. All right. Because we have a different kind. We have a different kind of result. All right, it's like this. All right, let's do result. Here we go. And we'll just say okay. Real quick, let's get to the warning. Underscore. There we go. Let's get rid of the warning. And good, clean. Isn't it nice? We're making progress, you guys. All right, so we got our Lua separate. Now, what I want to do is import the Lua. How do we do that? Do we say, how do I import this local file? It's called Lua, right? So I think it's Lua. I don't know if we could do that. So I think we have to say create. Do we do something like that? Is it create Lua? Lua, not in the root. Okay. How I forgot how do we import a local. Let's. It's been a while. I know it's been a while. Let's see here. Rust import local file. Let's see. What is the syntax? Mod. Oh, right. Is there a different way to do this? Is there a different way? Mod my folder. So source main, mod my folder. Do I have to use it like this? I guess we'll just say mod. We'll just do this. So we'll just say mod Lua. Mod Lua. There we go. Mod Lua. All right. Let's see if that works. Build. Okay. Res. Okay. This could not compile Stephen Coin. It couldn't compile the Stephen Coin. All right. What is the deal? Oh, expected string. Oh, did it? All right. So result. Wait, why did it expect string? Wait, where is this at? Result. Lua 13. This argument includes type of. Okay. Let's see here. So we need to update our Lua file. There we go. Let's just hide this really quick. Double check that everything looks clean. Looks good. Okay. So all of our problems currently are in here, I think. Though, 1 second. So yeah, I'm pretty sure because we're not actually calling any code. This is dead code at this point. Type constructed string due to the type constructed argument passed. Expected but found string. Oh, got it. Okay, so then we'll just do that for now. All right, is that better? It is. All right, there we go. Figuring it out. We know what we're doing here, don't we? Well, kind of. We kind of know what we're doing. All right, so now we've got the Lua. Let's go ahead and say let's do that. Actually, that's kind of what I was looking for. All right, so we've got our we've got our Lua code. Let's see what this does. All right, so we've got our code, and then I also want to import. Let's see. So we've got Lua run. We could just say Lua run directly. I think we could just say Lua run like this. Lua run code. Yep, basically. There we go. And then I say let result equals. I think we can say that. Let's just say underscore though, because we're not going to use it right now. Is that good? Okay, we got a problem. Run private function. Oh, I have to say public. Pub async function. Is that right? Did I do it? Yeah, I did it right. Whoa. Okay, we're making progress. All right, we're getting there. That's right. The smart contracts will be in Lua files. You got it. That's the way, and it will be in our ledger, and then people will be able to write their own Lua contract direct to the blockchain, you guys, and then they'll be able to run it on chain running. I know nothing of Rust. Hey, you know what? It's just like every other language, basically. It's got variable definitions, lists, flow controls, and if-else statements, things like that. Is it? It's Awad Mohammed. Okay, Awad. I'll try Awad. I'm not sure. 7th-ish. Okay, sounds good. All right, I'll try to remember Awad. I'll try. Awad Mohammed. Really did not expect that, but thanks, man. Hey, you're welcome. You're a regular, and you're helping the channel, and so upgrade. There you go. Ask and you shall receive. All right, so we've got let's see here. So we do need to get back something. We need to get something we need to see, because we're going to be running the smart contract, right? We do have our SQL here. So we've got our version, which we probably v1 initially, right? And we've got our signature, which should be probably going here. Although, so because it's related to the from address, right? Because the from address is going to sign it based on their secret key, and this is going to be the signature. And then the public key is going to be 64 characters long. That's actually pretty good. I'm actually really happy with that public. So let's just go here. Cargo build and cargo run. There we go. All right. So we get an error here with this. This is so good. Our code's not crashing. Our code's running properly now. We just need to fix the Lua problem. And I think it's because converting Lua nil to string is unexpected. Okay. So what I think is happening here is we need to say print. Maybe. Let's see if that works. Into our source directory, and then we'll see what our main file looks like. Let's zoom in on this real quick. All right. Oh, I got to return. That's the problem. We figured it out, you guys. They're right there. We figured it out. All right. We know what's wrong now. All we got to do is go to GitHub and see what we messed up. So we want to say, check this out right here. Return done. There we go. Return done. That's what we want to do. Return done. All right. Is it going to build now? Organized our files, and we got our Lua embedding scripting language for our smart contracts in our ledger. More blockchain, our own custom blockchain from scratch, written in Rust. That's quantum resistant blockchain. It's so good, and we've got our own smart contracts with Lua.